Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is the countertop stylings, the pasta cookers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length, they are about like a 22 and 1/4 inches wide. And the depth of the units, they are about like a 19.5 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are almost about like a 14 inches tall. So for these units, we can take a look closer to see the burning space and I'll give you the measurements. When we remove the top plate, we can see they have a total of 6 sections. And also we look in the front, they have 2 switchers and also have the fire, the space. You can see the monitoring the fire inside. And for this basket, manufacturer give you a total of 6 of it. And let me give you the measurements of it. It's about like a 5.5 inches wide, the diameters. And the depth also about like a 5 inches total. And also this top plate, you also can remove it, this holder. When we remove the top plate covers, we can see right here they have one single big the trace right here. Let me give you the measurements of it. For these dimensions, it's about like a 19 inches wide, 11.5 inches long, and the depth is almost about like a 6 inches. Also, when we take off it, we do see the 2 burner pans at the bottoms, and they can light their fire through these controls. And this will be all information for the inner side. So the manufacturer also offers their accessories. These are regulators, and you can have the connection on the side too. And this will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.